Hey guys, it's Neha. Today I will show you how to make this delicious chili cheese toast. It's so simple and easy to make that you can have it instantly for your hunger as well as your cravings. You can toast them either using a pan or in an oven and they become perfectly crispy in both ways. So the first method I'm showing you is the oven way. Start by finely chopping chili. You can also use red chili according to your preference. For kids, you can omit the chilies. So these are the ingredients for this recipe. I have mozzarella cheese, some chili flakes, softened butter, and salt. You can also add garlic for extra taste. Start with spreading the softened butter onto a piece of bread. You can also use brown bread as a healthier alternative. The reason why I didn't leave measurements for this recipe is because you can wing it. You can adjust the measurements according to your taste. Now you can sprinkle chopped chili onto the bread evenly as per your spice requirement. Sprinkle some salt onto the bread. It's time to add the cheese to the slices, making sure that the bread slices are covered with cheese evenly. Then sprinkle some chili flakes on top. And don't worry about the spice even if you're adding too many chili flakes because the cheese will melt and it would even out the spice. And I'm also adding extra cheese on top. Now you can transfer the bread slices onto a baking tray lined with baking paper and bake it in the oven for around 10 minutes at fan bake or grill. And as you can see, it's all golden and the cheese has fully melted. When you bake it in the oven, it's more crispier, and when you bake it in the pan, it's more cheesier. So now I'm going to show you the second method, which is the pan method. And the first starting step is completely the same. You can do the same with the bread and add the softened butter and add the chilies, cheese, and chili flakes. I'm also going to spread the butter onto the other side so that the bread doesn't burn. While you guys are watching this, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel with the notifications turned on and like this video if you guys are excited to see how this turns out. Now you can place the bread and cover with the lid and allow it to cook on low flame till the cheese melts completely. Just look at how cheesy this toast is. So when you bake it in the oven, the top is really crispy and crunchy, but when you bake it in the pan, the bottom is really crunchy and the top is really cheesy. Over here you can see the pan and the oven one side by side. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys liked this video, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel with the notifications turned on to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you like this recipe, go hit the like button. Bye!